This is a Mitsubishi Electric ductless system. 1 nominal ton. Don't know what year it is, but I'd say it's no older than 3 years. And obviously it's running in heat mode. It's in the 40s right now. Very windy. It's very, very quiet, as you can probably tell. There's the data sheet right there. Hopefully you can make out all the serial number. I know this is not from 2000. It's a lot newer than that. Suction line is probably hot. Let's check it real quick. My hands are so numb I can't even feel. Yeah, the suction line's hot. So there's the disconnect box right there. Now I can hear the compressor just a little bit. Listen closely. And the Train XR heat pump is right over there. You know, I have filmed it before. That unit right over there. Filmed it running in cool mode at the end of the summer. So yeah. I'm at a Christmas festival right now. And yes, I do agree it's a little too early to have that. It's November 10th today, not even Thanksgiving yet. Yeah, there it is. And I really do like these units. These little mini split Mitsubishi Electrics. That air is very, very cold. You know what? See if I can see anything back there. Got you located behind this panel right here. Let's see if I can see anything back there. It's kind of hard to see with the blades spinning. Yeah, here it is. 1 nominal ton. You know what? See if I can find a manufacturer date off of this. Let's see, I'm going to look through here. Serial number is not used to find the manufacturer date on these ductless units. I don't think this cannot be from 2000. If it's in really good condition, if it is, I can't really find any manufacturer date or anything. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.